Yep.
Okay. I want to do the sugar sound.
Ooh. Oh, let me sugar. Come on, stop all this, man. My hands already started
Shut
to
up.
hurt.
Hold it. Okay. I gotta tell them. So, I'm gonna put 8 spoons in my mouth. Don't zoom it.
I'm not zooming it.
I'm gonna put 8 teaspoons of sugar in my mouth.
Just do it.
See if I'm gonna swallow. Okay?
Oh, this is my song. Mirror on the wall, here we are again. So my rise and fall, you've been my only friend. Come on. Wait till Bruno Mars come on. Mirrors on the wall. Oh, here go Bruno Mars. Here we are again. Through my rise and fall, you've been my only friend. I can't understand the man I am, so I here talking to each other again. Come on, speed it up a little bit to me. You don't know how much pain I'm going through now, okay? It's sugar. Don't you spit it. Don't you spit. Come on, only one more teaspoon to go. And a big one. Come on, come on. You the one who thought of it, okay? We already did the cinnamon challenge. Here we are again. Oh, the big chunk. Let me see that. Yeah, look at all that sugar. Understand the man I am, so are we here talking to each other again. Is that it now? Come on. I'm hurting here. Timmy, go spit it out. Can I cut it off now? You trying to swallow it? Okay. It ain't that nice outside.